What if Cinderella lived today?
Wow, that's an intriguing question. With me, Samsung Vision AI, a whole new story unfolds.
Keep the house, Cindy!
Once upon a time, Cinderella was lost in endless chores.
So romantic.
Oh, it's you. Please tell me.
Oh no, the ball is tonight.
Cindy, don't forget the chores.
How am I supposed to... Now I'll never make it to the ball. I wish some type
At
of
that
fairy
moment,
godmother
a voice
would be here.
echoed.
Fear not, Cinderella. We're here.
Really? But who is we?
It's me, Samsung Vision AI and my friends. Let's begin the magical feast, Samsung food. Here's a recipe to avoid your stepmother's allergy. Let's see what's in the fridge. Missing ingredients? With a click, done. And just place the order.
What a magical speed. I'll follow your recipe.
Hey, oven, are you ready?
Preheating, beginning now.
With the help of Samsung Vision AI, Cinderella began to make a delicious pie.
I totally forgot. The new season drops today.
Okay, now it's time for your Galaxy Watch to turn into a remote. Pick the contents with just a pinch. Ta-da!
For now, I'll follow my heart.
How can I ever clean this mess?
Don't worry, I'll show you a 3D map view of the house. Hey, Jetbot, it's time to shine.
Start cleaning from the master room.
Laundry is on me.
The air is too stuffy. Ugh. Let's turn on the cube.
I got this!
I'm tracking all the energy usage here, so relax.
You're my everything.
Don't swear by the moon.
It vexes and rains.
Here's your party dress.
Finishing all her chores, Cinderella finally made it to the ball.
See ya!
Have fun!
The ball began, and she met Prince Charming.
Tonight, I'll promise you.
Gus, are you all right?
Oh, Gus keeps barking. I'll show you the camp.
Oh, Gus, I'm coming.
Whoa, wait. Just select the videos Gus likes. Hey, Gus, look.
Tonight, I promise you, I'll give you this night forever.
Don't swear by the moon.
Even after midnight, our Cinderella had a marvelous time.
Wow! It's a whole happy ending.
Sure. With me, Samsung Vision AI, and home appliances, they lived happily ever after.